High school dropout to real mogul. $250 in real estate. No degree, just pure savage hustle. Mallah broke every single rule, and today he owns Florida's richest home. He owns hotels and massive malls. He started with zero in his pocket. Watch how he built his empire. This blueprint changed your life today. Because learn from the ultimate real estate king. Born in the projects of Queens, surrounded by criminals and total Jews, a lunatic mother and cheapskate father. He lived in Bangalore year round. Ben chose the escape death hell. The army taught him total discipline. He worked for a master builder. He painting apartments all through the night, outworking every single person around him. He breathed real estate every second. First duplex cost $27,000. He bought the worst crack houses and used second-hand materials to fix them. Refinanced and bought even more properties. He turned absolute garbage into gold. Apartments led him to hotel deals. He knew exactly when to sell. Now he dominates retail shopping centers. Retail means zero daily management stress. He built a strong family businessman. Cash gives you the ultimate power. Never work for free in business. Hard deposits close every major deal. Protect your investment like a hawk. So be ready to work 18 hours. So fix your credit score right now. The bank is your best friend. Save every penny for a down payment. Anyone can win in this game. So stop waiting and start building today, and subscribe Finance Codex.